Hey y'all, this is gonna be a quick video, but I wanted to give my review on Zaxby's new Nashville hot dry rub flavor. I've never had it, and I was like, let me order it. This is what it looked like. Let me show you. This is what it looked like. So now, let me get one. It looks good. It looks like. Nothing. Let me take another bite with more flavor, with more sauce. It's nothing special. I give it, it's not really hot for real at all. I give it like maybe a 5 out of 10. It's not even, it's like not even hot. It's like more like, it's not Nashville hot. It's more like Nashville mild. I wouldn't even say it's even mild. It's not hot at all. Anyway, that's my quick review on the Zaxby's Nashville hot chicken dry rub flavor. I also got my hair done too. Anyway, bye y'all.